Yo, guys, if you really want to confuse someone by talking about weird stuff, just talk about noises, annoying noises. So, like, you would be like, noise that annoys the noise. Like this, almost. Yo, bro, you ever hear about the noise that annoys the noise? And no, I haven't heard about that. Can you tell me about it? Well, it's this really good noise that annoys the noise, but the noise that annoys the noise annoys the noise. But since that noise that annoys the noise annoys the noise, the noise that annoys the noise annoys the noise. So the noise that annoys the noise annoys the noise that annoys the noise. And that is really bad. And that is how you do it, guys. See you next time.